If you're suffering from back pain and you're tired of looking for solutions with no results or tired of taking medicines that are only bad for your health, stay until the end of this video and I'll show you a program that will get rid of your back pain and you only need 15 minutes a day to do it. Hello, my name is Estella and I will show you the 15-minute back, which is a program developed by Rick Olderman, a renowned and experienced physical therapist who has dedicated years to develop the best training for those who suffer from back pain and sciatica to get rid of pain once and for all in a safe and effective way. The link to the official website is here below in the description of this video. There you will have access to purchase the training and will have a super special discount. Now I will explain everything you need to know before purchasing your 15-minute back. Research currently shows that traditional stretching should be avoided for those who suffer from back pain and sciatica, and in the 15-minute back training you learn 7 gentle muscle release movements that relieve back pain and sciatica. In the training you will discover what really causes back pain. You will see why yoga, Pilates, and other basic stretching exercises can do more harm than good. You will learn the easy way to unblock a back spasm. You will see that relief can be quick and wonderful. And most importantly, learning to do the right, simple movements will rid you of back pain forever. Why is this method so successful? Because Rick Olderman has dedicated 2 decades to unraveling the secrets how the body works to create and eliminate pain. With this he has created a very simple, unique system that anyone can follow and that is totally safe and effective. The 15-minute back focuses on solving the systemic sources of back pain. There are already many people who are using this system to relieve back pain. How does the 15-minute back work? Every day, follow the simple video routine. Each video includes modifications. Every movement is designed to feel good now and after. The training is available in physical and digital form. In digital form it works on any type of device. In case of any questions, the training has a support available 7 days a week. 15-minute back is backed by a 60-day return policy. Should you purchase and see that it is not working for you, just contact us by email and ask for a 100% refund of your money. Purchasing 15-minute back is 100% safe and risk-free. I hope I have helped you with the 15-minute back information. I hope you can get rid of your back pain as soon as possible. Remember that the link to the official website is down here in the description of this video.